Srirangam is located near Tiruchirappalli, Trichy, in Tamil Nadu, about 330 kilometers from Chennai. You can travel by train, bus, or flight. Srirangam has a railway station, SRGM, but Trichy Junction, TPJ, is the major rail hub, just 7 kilometers from Srirangam. Several TNSTC and private buses run from Chennai to Trichy. Srirangam is not just a temple, but a spiritual hub that embodies Tamil Nadu's rich religious and cultural heritage. The Sri Ranganatha Swami Temple in Srirangam, Tamil Nadu, is one of the most significant Vishnu temples in India. It is the largest functioning Hindu temple in the world and a major pilgrimage center for Vaishnavites. Sri Ranganatha Swami Temple, Srirangam, a sacred Vishnu shrine. The Sri Ranganatha Swami Temple, located in Srirangam, Tamil Nadu, is one of the most revered Hindu temples dedicated to Lord Vishnu. It is renowned for its vast architectural grandeur, deep spiritual significance, and centuries-old history. Historical background. The temple's history spans thousands of years and is associated with various legends, scriptures, and rulers. Mythological origin. According to Hindu legend, the deity Lord Ranganatha, a reclining form of Vishnu, was originally worshipped in Ayodhya by King Ikshvaku, an ancestor of Lord Rama. After Lord Rama's victory over Ravana, he gifted the Ranganatha idol to Vibhishana, Ravana's brother, for his devotion to Vishnu. While carrying the idol to Sri Lanka, Vibhishana stopped at Srirangam, where the idol became immovable. Thus, the temple was established at that spot. The Vishvarupa Darshanam at Srirangam is a once-in-a-lifetime spiritual experience, allowing devotees to witness Lord Ranganatha's divine cosmic form at the beginning of the day. Andal the elephant makes its entrance to awake Lord Ranganatha and the sacred horse. Historical development. The temple dates back to at least the 3rd century BCE, with references in Sangam literature. The early structure was built by the Cholas, expanded by the Pallavas, and later developed by the Pandyas, Vijayanagara rulers, Nayaks, and Marathas. During the 13th century, the temple was plundered by Malik Kafur, a general of the Delhi Sultanate. However, it was later restored. Saint Ramanuja, the great Vaishnavite philosopher, played a significant role in shaping the temple's traditions and administration. Architectural grandeur. The Sri Ranganatha Swami Temple is one of the largest temple complexes in India, covering 156 acres. Its Dravidian-style architecture is breathtaking. Key features of the temple: Rajagopuram, main tower. It stands at 236 feet, 72 meters, and is one of the tallest temple towers in Asia. This grand tower was completed in 1987, though its construction began centuries earlier. 7 prakarams, enclosures. The temple has 7 concentric enclosures, symbolizing the 7 layers of spiritual enlightenment. The inner sanctum, Garbhagriha, houses Lord Ranganatha, reclining on the serpent Adi Shesha. Hall of 1,000 pillars, a masterpiece from the Vijayanagara period. This hall features intricately carved stone pillars. Hili Mandapam and Sesharaya Mandapam. These are beautifully sculpted halls that depict various mythological stories. Golden Vimana, Sanctum Tower. The Ranga Vimana, above the sanctum, is coated in gold and considered highly sacred. Spiritual and religious significance. The Sri Ranganatha Swami Temple is regarded as the first and foremost of the 108 Divya Desams, holy Vishnu temples mentioned in Vaishnavite texts. It is an important pilgrimage site for Sri Vaishnavism, a major sect of Hinduism that follows the teachings of Saint Ramanuja. The temple follows strict Vaishnavite traditions, with elaborate rituals and prayers conducted daily. Major festivals celebrated. The temple is famous for its grand festivals, attracting millions of devotees. Vaikunta Ekadasi, December-January. The most important festival, lasting 21 days, when the Vaikunta Dwaram, gateway to heaven, is opened. Thousands of devotees visit to receive blessings. Panguni Utharam, March-April, celebrates the celestial wedding of Lord Ranganatha and goddess Ranganayaki. Ratha Yatra, chariot festival. The deities are taken on a grand procession in beautifully decorated chariots. Jayastabhishekam, June-July. A special ritual where the deity is adorned with golden armor. Connection to Sri Ramanuja, Saint Ramanuja, 1017 to 1137 CE, a major philosopher and proponent of Sri Vaishnavism, lived in Sri Rangam for many years. His mummified body is preserved in the temple, coated with sandalwood paste. Cultural impact. The temple has been praised in Tamil literature by Alwars, Vaishnavite saints, and is frequently referenced in Hindu scriptures. Sri Rangam is often considered the spiritual capital of Tamil Nadu, representing the state's rich religious and cultural heritage. Conclusion. The Sri Ranganatha Swami temple is more than just a place of worship. It is a symbol of devotion, architectural brilliance, and spiritual enlightenment. Its mythological importance, historical grandeur, and religious significance make it one of the most sacred sites in India. Have you ever visited the temple? If not, it's definitely worth a pilgrimage. If yes, let us know your experience in the comments section.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.